Pain taught me everybody smiling ain't for me, and everybody clapping ain't proud to see me win. Pain taught me some doors gotta close in my face, so better things can finally let me in. Pain taught me stop begging folks to understand me. Everybody can't go where God taking me. Pain taught me silence got more power than proving, and peace mean more than being seen. I used to take things personal, now I just let it be. Cause what was meant to break me down ended up teaching me. That's what the pain taught me, how to stand when it get hard, how to smile through the tears and still protect my heart.